Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making a round lasagna, a new twist on an old dish. Get all your ingredients assembled and then start by cutting some bacon. Here we're using some slab lardons, just gives a little bit more flavour. The next thing we want to do is cut our eggplant, some into nice semi-rounds and others we're going to dice up. Now the dicing of the ones are going to be put into the mix, and our round ones you can see here that we put into the round tin on the top right of the screen. For our circles of eggplant, put them in some hot oil and bring them to a nice golden brown colour, and at the same time put in some pasta elbows. Don't cook it all the way through, cook it to hard al dente, because we're going to be cooking it later again. Now we want to prepare our baking dish or cooking tin. We need to get some parchment paper, fold it up into a triangle like you see, measure how wide the tin is and then cut it. Once you've cut it, unfold it and just place it in the tin, making sure that it does fit. Generously get some butter, brush it all in so that nothing was going to stick as we cook it. The next thing you want to do is put back in the parchment paper and put another layer of butter on top of that parchment paper. Then it'll come out really easily. Sprinkle on some breadcrumbs. This is going to give some texture and just a little bit of colour. And then we're going to be placing our eggplant rounds later into the bottom of that tin. Now turn on the Instant Pot, get it nice and hot, put in a bit of oil, a little bit of butter so you get that extra depth of cooking flavour, and slowly saute and cook the vegetables. As you're cooking the vegetables, make sure you remember to give them a good bit of seasoning. It just helps with the flavour. And again, put in the lardons, nice chunky ones so that they're going to give a lovely taste and texture when we cook the dish. And give them a nice little stir around. Take the mince and again do the same sort of thing. Fold it on in, mix it all up, and again get it cooking so that it really does mix in well with the vegetables. Add in some tomato paste for a little bit of flavour. Do the same sort of thing, lots of stirring here, so if you're being a little bit naughty, that should be fun. And the red wine, in it goes. It's going to really give the flavour and it's just going to give it that oomph, along with some of the passata or tomato sauce that you're now putting in. Again, stir it all up, season again with salt and pepper, and you're starting to look good. This wasn't in the recipe in the beginning, but we're adding in here some cayenne pepper. We find it really brings out the flavour of all the other ingredients. Don't put too much because you don't want to make it hot. You just want to use the magic powers of cayenne. Add in your herbs and you're pretty much ready to put on the Instant Pot lid. Give it a cook for 10 minutes just to make sure everything's done. While the Instant Pot is cooking, take your eggplant and prepare the cooking tin. Place your big circles on the bottom of the tin. After it's done, you certainly do want to taste, and this is one of the things that I like to do. Rosie's putting in a little bit of sugar, because we find when you put in tomato paste and tomato sauce like this, it really does get a little bit acidic. After tasting, we decided to add just a little bit of Liam Perrin sauce, and tasting again. The good thing here, I got to taste twice. Now we're going to start mixing our lasagna filling. Take the al dente elbows, put in the eggplants and put in the peas and mix it around, followed by a first portion of mince. We're going to again mix that around so that it gets right through the dish. Then we're going to take our cheese and add about 3/4 of that to the dish. Give it a mix, and then we're going to add in some more of the mince, and that's going to really bring together our final mix that we're going to then slowly start to build into the tin. Gently put it in, don't want to press it in too much, just let it naturally fall in. Once you've got the top in, just even it off. Now that you've got the pasta and the mix all put into the tin, cover it with some aluminum foil and use a rubber band just to secure that top. Put in the trivet to the Instant Pot. You'll notice that Jim has already cleaned the bottom of that pot, so we're all ready to go. Strips of aluminum foil. It makes it easy to get the dish out. Not in, unless you ask for help. Come on, Rosie, ask for help. Ask for help. I can help. Okay, normally I'm not allowed in the kitchen, but yeah, Jimbo will help. Here we go. So on goes the lid, and now you're ready for your final cooking in the Instant Pot. Well, all's done. Out it comes, and you can see what it looks like when it comes out. It's all ready to go. We decided to sprinkle a little bit more of the breadcrumbs on and the cheese, popped it into the oven for a quick broil, and it's all done.